Best tips to look more beautiful on a budget. Some people may not want you to notice, but you don't need to spend a lot of money to look more beautiful. Hi guys, my name is Saba and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you 10 tips to how to look more beautiful on a budget. I just wanted to make this video to let you know that you don't need to be rich to look beautiful. You just need to take care of yourself with the right products, and yeah, this is it, and let's just quickly start the video. Okay, the first tip is using the right makeup cleanser according to your skin type. For example, if you have dry skin, you shouldn't be using a makeup remover that is made for example, I don't know, oily skin or a combination skin. Using the right makeup remover has a huge part of your skincare. Next is washing your face with cold water after you remove your makeup with any makeup remover that you have. The third tip is using honey and sugar or cinnamon as a lip scrub. You just need to mix honey and sugar, or you can use honey and cinnamon, and put it on your lips, rub it for a few minutes, and then wash it, and it is the best lip scrub I have ever used. With this, you don't need to spend a lot of money on lip scrub or products that are out there on the market. You can make it at home, and for me it has worked better than any lip scrub that any brands have. Next is washing your hair only 2 times a week. You don't need to wash your hair every day. Actually, washing your hair every day makes your hair oily and weakens your hair, and I've seen people saying that I'm washing my hair every day but it gets oily so fast. I don't know what's wrong, and what they're missing is that washing your hair every day doesn't benefit your hair. Actually, it ruins your hair, and only washing your hair 2 times a week makes your hair clean, and it is the best way. I have always done it myself. Next tip is the cheapest hair treatment ever, and it is using rice water on your hair, letting it stay for 20 minutes, and then taking a shower. This is the best way to keep healthy and shiny hair. I use it once a month, and you don't need to do anything extra, and voila, you will have a shiny, healthy hair without spending any money on any hair product. Next is using a little blush every day, everywhere you want to go. You don't need to do heavy makeup. You don't need to do any crazy contouring or anything. Just using a little blush will make your face look fresh. Next tip is about teeth, and it is using coconut butter, people call it coconut oil, on your teeth to whiten your teeth. You don't need to do anything crazy. You just need a natural coconut oil. Just be sure that it's natural. Take 1 spoon of it, let it stay on your teeth for 4 to 5 minutes every night, and then spit it out. Doing this routine every night will whiten your teeth, and you will see a huge difference on your teeth. It is natural, it has no harm, and it is also very cheap. The next tip is using press-on nails. I haven't done it myself, but I've seen a lot about it on TikTok. Girls were swearing by it, and it is using press-on nails instead of going to expensive beauty salons and doing your nails. And the thing about your nails is that you just need your nails to look clean and put together. And as I said, you don't need to spend a lot of money on nail salons to do your nails. You can do press-on nails at home. I have never tried it myself, but as I said, people were crazy about it on TikTok. What I've learned is that if you use the right glue, they will last longer. Just make sure that you're using the right glue. Next tip is drinking warm water with lemon on empty stomach every day to prevent bloating, and then you can have your breakfast. The last tip is moving your body every day. I used to think that you have to walk 10k steps every day, but my sister actually told me that you don't need to do that. 6k steps every day is enough and works best, and it is also the easiest, most effective cardio, and you don't need to spend a lot of money on gym memberships. Just go outside, take a walk, take a breath. You can also use walking pads if you have at home, or treadmills, or whatever works best for you. I like to go outside, take a breath, have a walk, maybe have a coffee sometimes. Sometimes I go out with my friends, we chat, and you know, this is the best for me. Just see which way works better for you, and you just need to move move your body. If you're a beginner, you don't have to start with 6k steps the first day. You can actually start, for example, 2k steps, or I don't know, set a time limit. For example, say that I will walk 10 minutes or 15 minutes today, and then increase it day by day. And that was it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.